And today we're gonna be doing another 1v1, except it's not gonna be a 1v1, it's gonna be a 1v1v1v1. And so today I'm gonna be joined by my two friends, Vince and Raven. And we're gonna be doing a 1v1v1. And we're basically using modded accounts, because we didn't have throwing knives or the butterfly knife. We wanted it because we're gonna be doing our challenges like this. So yeah, and I did not make this class. This class came by people make it because I'm on a public modded account. I'm not on my own modded account or anything. That's basically what we're just gonna do. I'm just waiting for them to join right now. So it's only a butterfly and throwing knife allowed. Nothing else. And you can have any perks you want, any score streaks. And yeah, and so last video I said that I was gonna check how much or the status. I was gonna check the status on how many nukes on this account that people get, and it turns out that they actually got 45 nukes, which is actually a lot. On my main account, Optic Monk, you guys can also go subscribe to that channel. I also have that channel. Right here, I think that's Vince. Let's check. My way of checking is just putting in names like this. Because Raven is the highest. So yes, I'm sure Vince. We're gonna be doing our stuff right now. Why does he have a Desert Eagle? We're just gonna. I think I actually saw this cow before. This is the quick. Oh my gosh, he's probably so pissed right now. He doesn't get angry very quick, but when it comes to games, he actually does get angry. Not quick, but. Aw, my phone's about to die. Hopefully I can be able to finish this match before my phone dies. Okay, well I feel bad for him. Ooh, I almost got him. But I didn't. So yeah, challenges, and I will be glad to do them. I will probably put up a regular video on. Oh, what? Wait, his account has shurikens? Oh yeah, he uses shurikens badly. He didn't really want to use the throwing knives, he wanted to use shurikens. But that seems to be working. Oh, he has an account that has the. Oh, imagine. Oh, what? Since he wanted to shoot me, so don't blame me, guys. That's all him. He wanted to shoot me, and I'm money repaying that debt. Yep, I knew it. Now I feel like using a butterfly would be better. Oh, I actually got him. I thought they missed, but apparently he walked right into it. Alright, let me go get my. Where's this? Oh no, it must have went out of the map. No. Or nah. What? Okay, there, let's go. Pretty sure this is a both. He doesn't have dead silence like me, so it's gonna be harder for him. If no more, we butterfly. Okay. Shit. Let me grab that. See, I missed it. Oh, yeah. Hopefully I don't lose this, and hopefully my battery doesn't freaking die. Like I know it will. I bet he probably is gonna die. Got him. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hopefully we can win this battle. Oh, imagine if I got him in midair. No, not to run all over here. Oh no. Oh. I thought one of my other friends was to go big keys to. So that's just gonna be a 1v1 actually. That's why I'm scoring because the shuriken. Because the shuriken is slow. It doesn't have an instant one like the throwing knife. It has to, it pulls it out and then throws it, so then it has a slower animation. Like the throwing knife like there. The throwing knife you can actually like just full on just throw it. Cause here, so you can throw it instantly like that, but then the shuriken you have to pull it back and then throw it. Just sort of odd. I don't know why they would do that. Or just to show off the look of it. Oh, you switch. No, okay, that's why. Probably knows. If you guys want to see my main channel, Optic Monk, that's what it's called, my main channel. You guys can go subscribe to that one as well, but probably going to be more active on this one for a while, just because it's a modded account, and who wouldn't want to do more videos on a modded account so where you can do more stuff than having your stuff, oh my gosh, than having your stuff limited. That was actually a pretty good shot. He's probably going to spawn up here. He was got him, a choke. Got him. Okay, there's another one over here. Nope, not over here. Got him. Okay, now I just have to use my knife. Because once you kill somebody with the throwing knife, then you can't grab it back actually. So once you kill them, then that's pretty much it. I always wanted to try the UMP, but it's not what okay, no. What? He pre-fired that one, I can tell. I can tell he pre-fired that one. It's gonna pop up. Really want the shuriken, I wanna try that out. Okay, so now, oh, where is he going? He's going over here. This is like not even his first time, like I would say his third time doing the throwing knives. The first time that we did it was like in no. So I don't think he's gonna catch this match ends. And I don't know this match ends. But yeah, he's actually worse than my other friend that I challenged in the other video. If they can do it, like challenge all my friends, not like in separate videos, and then later on we can do it in one video. Okay. I'll come in free for all when you do it like by yourselves. Tennessee. I only did it because he is camping. I don't like campers. Bro, the throwing knife is faster than this shuriken. No, I need not. Oh, the match ended. Okay, well guys, thanks for enjoying this video, and there's more, oh shit, there's more videos to come in these 1v1s, and right now it's actually pretty late at night, or not late at night, but it's just late. So yeah, this is, if you guys did enjoy this video. Oh, yeah, I can show you the stats right now. So right here, the stats is nukes is 45. There's more kills than deaths, obviously. There's more matches won than matches lost. And the kill death rate 1.9. Mine is a 1.7, I believe. So mine is actually close to the person who actually is. Highest, holy gosh. How is that even possible? Like, that's not even possible unless the game allows you to do more, I'll just keep on going for every match. Let me become a Dang, that has to take more than like 500 matches. But then the match I probably was. So when you do the game and it gets confused and they just add all the high streaks up. And the most kills and the 2 nukes for the Friday like I said. Please do that. And subscribe to this channel. My main channel. Like I said, I'm probably gonna be more active on this channel just because it's a modded account. Probably gonna do it until Lucas takes down this modded account. Then I'm probably gonna go back to the Object Monk one. But if you guys want to see me do glitches on this account, then you can go ahead and leave a like and tell me down in the comments what you guys want to do. If you guys want to do modded accounts, if you guys want me to do more modded accounts, because I think I have like 2 more that I found on YouTube. I forgot the guy's name, but shout out to the guy that gave me these. I didn't really look at the name already. I just saw the video and my phone's about to die, so yeah, I need to put this on the charger. And yeah, I'll just see you guys later. Goodbye.